Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Recently, my Nutribullet blender had a burning smell after use, so I decided to take it apart and find out why. You can see that there is a layer of brown powder at the top base. Remove the 4 bottom screws. Remove the bottom base. Remove additional screws. Remove the bottom ring cover. Remove the outer cover. Remove the rubber caps to reveal the screws. Remove the inner cover. Remove the clip to release the motor brush. You can see that there is damage and burn marks on the motor brush. You can also see the streaking and burn marks on the commutator. So there you have it. The burning smell is due to wear and tear of the brush motor. You may consider cleaning the commutator and replace the brushes, or maybe it's time for a new blender. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!